So now we have our speaker with the lid. If you look in the browser, you will see that we have two separate bodies. We have the top and we have the main body. Stages 6 and 7 we must show an image of the main body and cover as two separate bodies and show all the features in the timeline. The timeline is at the bottom of your screen. So we can see we have two separate bodies here. I'm just going to move this, make it smaller. You can move the browser down or up. And we'll take a picture of this. And insert that into our Word document. We also need to share a link to our design from the File menu, Share, Public Link. Share the latest version with anyone using this public link. Copy the URL. And paste it into your document. We also need to know which features did we use for this. You can see the features in our timeline. We used an extrude. We used shell, chamfer. We can add these into our Word document. We also use sketch. Part 2. This seems to be exactly the same. I think there's something wrong with this. So in this one, I would just like you to put a picture of the cover, hide the body, take a picture of the cover, again showing the features used. And remember, you can use your orbit to show this from different views. Show the features in the timeline. Use your snipping tool. Insert this into your Word document. The body rotate, and look at the bottom of the cover. Remember, you can make this larger. We're going to create a sketch. On that surface. If it asks you for this, you can capture position. You're going to sketch a center circle. Somewhere around here. You can make that 3. Select the concentric constraint. Select the inside circle and the outside circle. Create another center circle. Put the center on the center. This time we will make this 6. Do the same for the bottom circle. Create a center circle. That was 3. Concentric constraint. Select the inside circle and the outside circle. Sketch another center circle, center on the center, and make this 6. Enter. Finish the sketch. Turn off the LED matrix. Extrude. We're going to extrude the outer circle, both parts. Turn on the LED matrix. Turn off the top. Cancel that. Extrude. Cancel that. Again, extrude. We only want to extrude the outside of this circle. Turn off the top. Turn on the LED matrix. Change extent to object. Rotate and select the surface of your LED matrix. That is a new body. Press OK. We now have 2 new bodies. To attach our matrix to the top, select that 3 times. We're just going to call that pin 1, pin 2. Right click, create components from bodies. Right click, create components from bodies. Let's try and combine these. Target body is the top, tool body, pin 1. Let's turn off the matrix. We want to join these. Okay. This is to insert the LED into the design. Turn on the matrix. And you now have inserted your matrix into the design. Take a picture of this. Again, showing the timeline. Insert it into your Word document. That's actually 1.6.4. One 1.6.3. Should simply show the joint where you have joined. If we right click on that, cancel that. You can see that is a rigid joint. I'm going to take a print screen of this. My print screen which shows the joint. I then have to complete activity 1.75.